The transfer window is currently open and our teams are signing players left and right, up and down. Yet our mighty Kaizer Chiefs are just relaxed abasayid muntu. Abasayid muntu bafethu, and namhlanje we're talking about the rumored players to come to join Kaizer Chiefs and why Kaizer Chiefs are so relaxed. Well, if you want to know about all of the stuff I got for you today, stay tuned to the video, watch the whole video, and subscribe to the channel. Let's jump straight into the video together. Hello everybody, Sanbonani. Welcome to my channel. This is Consistent Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa pe. I am your host Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from Great Town bafethu. Nanamhlanje nginiphathela zona zishisa pe as always. So make sure ukuthi you subscribe to the channel, like the video, so when I post uzosheshe ubone ama-video ami. Bafowethu sinenkinga. Angazi noma inkinga entsha noma endala, but sinenkinga with our management, team management. I think they don't have a plan. They are lazy because other teams have been working. Other teams have been signing quality players on top of quality players. But I think Kaizer Chiefs should have the best quality players, quality squad than Orlando Pirates, and we have best and better quality squad than Mamelodi Sundowns. So bachaza lokho phela cause they are just relaxed and then they are not talking about anything, they are not signing anyone, they are just relaxed. They are like, yeah, we are fine. Mamelodi Sundowns sign Monopoly selling, so what? Yabo nje mfethu, angazi kwenzakalani nge-team yethu. I don't think Kaizer Chiefs have a plan for the future or for the season or for whatever. I'm starting to be worried because bengithi inayo plan to change the whole situation, but right now I am concerned because Kaizer Chiefs are not making any moves for any players. But there are those who are rumored by our top journalist here in South Africa. So these are the players who are linked or rumored to join Kaizer Chiefs this January. Firstly, Upuso Tisejane. Upuso Tisejane has been linked with Kaizer Chiefs before the year ends. And also, he is linked with a move to Mamelodi Sundowns. Siyayazi ke Sundowns iyingozi. Bona ethatha umuntu aphulesa sithathe nalo odlala ubani Ndamani. Ya uNdamani lo TS Galaxy i-defender nayo yamthatha. Sayinise i-Brazilian nale. Uyabo kubhizi nje kwi-Sundowns. Hayi thina. Kurelaxiwe. Puso Tsetjane is linked with Kaizer Chiefs and no initial talks abakaqala inkulumo, they are just rumors, links phela. Umuntu ozothi uPhuso Tsetjane usayine Kaizer Chiefs without any proof, ningavumi guys. And also the guy goes by the name Msendami from, I think he's from ngiyakhohlwe la team, but it's Msendami, a good player. Yamazi, a good player. And also the big one is Mabaso Sekhofaso from Orlando Pirates. He's been linked. Mina bengithi kuyadlalwa as a country kuyadlalwa, but this thing is getting serious. Sekhofaso Mabaso is linked with Kaizer Chiefs and he's heavily linked because I think lona ke singambona ke fika ke lapha ePFN. Uye umuntu ongambona ke fikele ePFN. But these others esilinkwe nabo. Remember we even spoke about Endren Sekecic. If you remember well, he was playing with Arsenal he's a top quality. He he has a thing about Kaizer Chiefs. Engiyibonayo. I think Kaizer Chiefs when they sign anyone who will work at a technical as a technical is either a coach or a scouter. They promise them ukuthi wena mfethu do your thing thina sokutholela abadlali besho coach, and then when the time goes on coach mayifuna umdlali bathi hayi angena uCollins bani sebenzisa yena. Okay, fine. Nakuthera Maliwa, I think this is what's happening because he's been scouting a good players. He's been scouting a good talent, but Kaizer Chiefs are not willing to back him. I'm telling you, something is wrong with Kaizer Chiefs. It's either abafuni nemali or nje abazi nanokuthi lidumephi, because izinto abazenzayo nje ziyamangaza. And then the other player who's heavily linked with a move away from Mamelodi Sundowns is Khuliso Mudau. And lapho futhi Kaizer Chiefs will not react. Uzofika ukhoza emthatha uMdau. Sale sikhamisile thina. Fine ke bafethu, is fine. Kaizer Chiefs izayithanda kodwa ama decision ewenzayo awekho mnandi. Mawubheka kulama players engiwabalile la ngiwabalile uDisejane, uMsendami, uMabaso, uSekechich, Mudau. Who should Chiefs sign as a priority if they decide to? No, let's go for one player because it's January and we'll have another window on July. Which of these players do you think Kaizer Chiefs should go for? You can comment down below ukuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs imuphi umdlali ekumele iye all in for him. There's another news, olunye udaba ngoMayo. As we all know ukuthi uMayo ukwi-loan kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. He's not a permanent deal. He's a loan deal. So the talks of his future at Kaizer Chiefs will begin. As we know ukuthi udlala le Algeria, i-team yakhe isibolekile. So although i-contract yakhe i-loan iphela ngoJuly, but inkulumo kumele iqala. Wena will you keep uMayo to the team and give him a permanent contract, or let him go back to his team? And this transfer window, do you think will be there any exits? Mina ngicabanga ukuthi Morris will go because he's been linked with Stellenbosch lately, because Gavin Hunt is now the coach of Stellenbosch. So I think Morris will depart. And kusasa bafethu, I will come back with more updates on a squad, who's training with the squad, who's not training, who is a new player to the squad. So bafethu, make sure you stay tuned to the channel, like the video, subscribe and comment down below bafethu. Thank you for your support bafethu. I hope ungene kahle onyakeni. Danko.